Kate Lundquist joined me on Season 2, Episode 28 of the Positive Fantastic podcast to share about her work over the last several years advocating for beaver populations in the American West. Kate's livelihood is honoring the North American beaver in all its ecological keystone species glory. We discussed how amazing beavers are, why we need them in our ecosystem, and the ways that new technology is helping create good relations between the humans and the beavers. Kate has been working diligently for many years to help bridge the worlds between beaver habitats and governmental organization around how beavers are treated. This is a happy story, my friends, with very good news. Beavers are becoming more protected, recognized for their contributions, and their numbers are steadily coming back from the brink of extinction after they were nearly wiped out for their very soft pelts. Additionally, Kate and folks like her have been able to create very clever ways to help farmers and landowners to work with, not against, their local beavers, so that successful coexistence is not only possible, but is the way of the future. And although we managed to record an entire episode without a single raunchy beaver joke, much to my dismay, don't fret, my naturalist ears, we do talk extensively about beaver anal secretions and how to sex a beaver. So there's that I can offer you as you listen into our interview. It was fun to joke with Kate about the future of beavers and how, when people realize how amazingly useful these animals are to an ecosystem, that there are going to be beaver matchmaking sites to help rehome beavers from areas where they are wreaking havoc to the areas where people desperately want them. Beaver Tinder, if you will. For more information about the Bring Back the Beaver movement, you can also check out www.oaec.org/water. By the end of our podcast episode, I think that you'll become a beaver believer, an ally and advocate for the Bring Back the Beaver movement.